Hey there, I'm Jenny, this is Casey, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we are cooking up a delicious, flavor-packed salad.
Yes, we are. We're making a pear pomegranate salad with orange poppy seed dressing.
It's a mouthful.
It is, but it's delicious.
So good.
Yes.
We absolutely love this. So one of my favorite parts of this salad are the pomegranate arrows. You can buy those already just prepackaged as arrows at the store, but sometimes it's fun to just get them out of the whole pomegranate yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. What I have in this bowl full of water is a halved pomegranate that I've lightly scored so that I can easily break it apart. And I'm going to go ahead and do all of this in the bowl of water so that the pomegranate juice doesn't splatter me, because once that's on your clothing, it doesn't come out.
No, it looks a little bit like a crime scene,
Yeah.
so that's a good idea. So while Jenny's working on that, I'm going to go ahead and start squeezing our orange to get our freshly squeezed orange juice for part of our dressing. And it's really important to use fresh orange and squeeze the juice out of it. It adds a whole other level of flavor for this dressing.
Exactly. Okay, so as you can see, these pomegranate seeds are coming out very easily. I'm just kind of brushing them out with my fingers. And the arrows sink to the bottom of the bowl, and then all of this white pith that you don't eat and the peel, it floats at the top. So once you're all done getting the arrows out, you would just simply skim off all of that pith and discard it, and then strain your arrows. And you're all set.
Yes.
And you'll be left with just the arrows.
Yes, beautiful.
Super simple. All right. And the next component, we have our pear. So today we are using this brown Bosque pear. You could also use a green Bartlett pear, or this pretty red one that I found. It's a star crimson pear.
Yes.
But we thought with the red pomegranate seeds, the red pear would be too repetitive. So we're going to use this pretty brown one. I'm just going to thinly slice it.
Yes, so while Jenny's working on that, I'm going to finish up our dressing over here. So we've got our freshly squeezed orange juice. To that, I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Those will be kind of the acids for our dressing. A little bit of Dijon mustard. Adds some great flavor. A little bit of honey. Touch of sweetness. Some olive oil. Our poppy seeds, and a little bit of salt and pepper. I think making dressing is really fun, especially around the holidays, to just add a little extra homemadeness to what you're serving.
And it's so simple.
It is. It's so simple, and then you can kind of adjust it to your taste as well.
Exactly. I love this dressing because it does have so much acid to it, and I tend to prefer like those more acidic dressings.
Yes, but definitely feel free again to adjust as you would like. You could do like a lemon juice instead of an orange juice. However you'd like it.
Options out there.
Yep.
And this dressing is really easy to make ahead of time as well, just because there are a few more ingredients to it. So you can make it ahead, put it in a mason jar with a lid, and then just give it a quick shake before you're ready to serve.
And what a fun conversation piece too, to have that kind of sitting by the salad for people to ask, "Oh, what's that?" And you can tell them how you made your own dressing for the salad.
Impress everybody.
Yes.
All right, so let's assemble the salad.
Oh my goodness.
We have a large plate full of baby spinach. You can use any greens that you would like, but we like the flavor of spinach. It's kind of a good base for this salad. And now we just need to put the rest of the ingredients on. So I'll work on these pears.
You've got your pears. I'm going to add some crumbled feta cheese, which I love, especially with these flavors.
Yes. Lots of really, really good like fall and winter flavors.
Yum. I'm going to also add some pecans, which I feel like we add to a lot of our holiday recipes. We love these so much. They are.
And then, of course, our pomegranate arrow. So I like the little like burst of juice that you get when you bite into these. That's probably my favorite
So
part.
delicious.
They're so fun to eat.
They are. And I love the fall flavors with this, with the pear and the pomegranate, kind of fall wintry flavors that you don't necessarily get at all times of the year.
Yeah.
But you could definitely add other toppings or substitute as well, like dried cranberries would be really good.
Apples.
Apple would be really good.
It's a good fall fruit.
Yes, so you can kind of adjust it.
Or candied pecans. We have that recipe for slow cooker candied pecans.
I still dream about those.
They're so good.
Those are so great, yes. All right, so then our last step then is to just drizzle our dressing on top. And you can kind of play by ear depending on how much how much spinach you have and that sort of thing. I don't think I'm going to quite add all of this, but
Beautiful.
then you can keep some for later, which is delicious.
Yes. So I love this salad because, again, it's super simple. We put it together in just a matter of minutes.
Yes.
And if you're having a party, you could just lay out these separate ingredients in bowls
Ooh,
and
how
let your
fun.
guests assemble so they can kind of
Yes.
pick and choose what they want on it.
Yes, you've done enough work.
Yeah.
Let your guests do some of the work.
All right, should we give this a try?
Yes, please.
I'm going to go for a little cheese and
Pomegranate
pomegranate.
Mmm.
It's so fresh.
That dressing is, I think, my new favorite dressing.
So simple, so tasty.
I love this.
I love it too. Well, we hope you add some color to your holiday table this year.
And for more holiday recipe ideas, visit bestfoods.com/seasons.